Dark circles under the eyes can make a person look tired, even when they are well rested. In this close-up, we see how pigmentation and shadowing affect the under-eye area. This common concern often impacts confidence and overall appearance. A closer examination reveals the true depth of the problem. The dermatologist gently assesses the skin, identifying both pigmentation and slight hollowness. These factors together create the appearance of dark circles. Using a dermatoscope, the doctor observes the skin in greater detail. This magnified view helps identify underlying blood vessels and pigmentation layers. Accurate diagnosis is essential before starting any treatment. A cross-sectional visualization shows what lies beneath the surface. The under-eye skin is thin, allowing underlying structures to become more visible. Pigmentation and volume loss both contribute to the darker appearance. During consultation, the treatment plan is explained clearly. The goal is to restore volume, improve skin tone, and reduce visible darkness. A personalized approach ensures natural and balanced results. The procedure begins with proper preparation. The under-eye area is carefully cleaned to maintain hygiene and ensure optimal results. A sterile environment is essential for safety. Scene 7. Voiceover: a numbing cream is gently applied to the skin. This helps keep the patient comfortable during the procedure. The area is left to absorb the cream fully. Scene 8. Voiceover: once the skin is numb, the area is reassessed. The patient remains relaxed as the dermatologist prepares for the next step. Precision is key in such a delicate region. The treatment materials are prepared carefully. The dermal filler is designed to restore lost volume beneath the skin. Its smooth consistency allows for even distribution. The injector is positioned with precision along the tear trough. The dermatologist carefully aligns the angle for safe and accurate placement. Every movement is controlled and deliberate. The filler is gently introduced beneath the skin. As it spreads, it begins to lift the hollow area. This reduces the shadow that contributes to dark circles. Within the skin, the filler distributes evenly. It supports the structure beneath the surface, creating a smoother contour. This helps reflect light more evenly across the area. The dermatologist gently massages the area. This ensures the filler is evenly placed and blends naturally. Smooth transitions are essential for a natural look. Additional refinement is performed to achieve symmetry. Both sides are carefully balanced for a consistent appearance. Precision ensures subtle and effective results. Early results begin to appear immediately. The under-eye area looks less hollow and more even. The skin starts to reflect light more naturally. A laser device may be used to target pigmentation. This step focuses on improving skin tone and reducing discoloration. The treatment remains gentle and controlled. The laser energy interacts with the skin's surface. It helps break down pigmentation while stimulating renewal. Over time, this leads to a brighter appearance. A soothing gel is applied to calm the skin. This helps reduce sensitivity and keeps the area hydrated. Comfort remains a priority throughout the process. A gentle massage further relaxes the treated area. The skin appears calm and refreshed. This step supports recovery and even distribution of treatment. A specialized serum is applied to nourish the skin. It enhances hydration and supports healing. The under-eye area begins to regain its natural glow. Hydrating patches are placed under the eyes. These help lock in moisture and improve skin texture. They also provide a cooling and soothing effect. Over time, the treatment absorbs into the skin. The under-eye area gradually becomes smoother and brighter. Improvements continue beneath the surface. The patches are removed to reveal refreshed skin. The area appears more hydrated and even-toned. Subtle improvements are already visible. A comparison highlights the difference. One side shows darker pigmentation, while the treated side appears brighter and smoother. The change is natural yet noticeable. The patient sits up and observes the results. Looking into the mirror, a sense of satisfaction begins to show. The improvement feels both natural and balanced. Aftercare instructions are explained carefully. Proper care helps maintain the results and supports healing. Small steps can make a big difference. A closer look reveals smoother skin texture. The under-eye area appears more even and refreshed. The natural contours are restored. In natural light, the improvement becomes even more visible. The under-eye area looks brighter and healthier. The face appears more energized overall. Natural blinking and movement show how seamlessly the treatment blends. The results look completely natural. There is no stiffness or artificial appearance. With improved appearance comes renewed confidence. The patient smiles comfortably, feeling refreshed and more vibrant. Subtle changes create a meaningful impact. A full comparison shows the transformation clearly. The dark circles are reduced and the under-eye area looks smooth and balanced. The improvement is both visible and natural. In close detail, the skin appears refined and healthy. Light reflects evenly across the under-eye area. The results enhance the overall facial harmony. The clinical setting fades into the background as the patient relaxes. The treatment has been completed successfully. The outcome reflects careful planning and precision. The final result shows a brighter, refreshed appearance. From tired and shadowed to smooth and radiant, the transformation is complete. Modern treatments make it possible to restore a naturally youthful look.